This is Awal Sringa Agricultural Program. Awal Sringa is agricultural program in Ethiopia which promotes good agricultural practices on social media. It focuses only agricultural concepts. That means no politics, no ethnic case, and no religion case. Just only focus only about agricultural concepts to create awareness and provides advisory services, especially in Ethiopia. So all of you who are active in agriculture are invited to strengthen the program by subscribing and supporting any direction. Today my information focus on the major spice crops in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia, there are so many spice crops that can grow or cultivated in the country, such as hot pepper, coriander or cardamom, black cumin, fenugreek, turmeric, ginger, and rosemary are the majors. So I will try to describe each spice crops below this. I start from hot pepper. Hot pepper, locally known as berbere, the most common spice used widely in traditional Ethiopia dishes, accounting for the highest production share. Hot pepper, as I told you, locally known as berbere, is a vital cash crop and dietary staple in Ethiopia. It is cultivated widely by smallholder farmers across the country, primarily in Oromia, southern Ethiopia, and Amara regions, with the popular Marako fana. This is a popular variety noted for the disease tolerance. Hot pepper is a major component of Ethiopian cuisines, used fresh, dried, or as a processed ingredient, making it crucial for both local consumptions and income generation for smallholder farmers. It is best altitude between 1,400 up to 1,900 meter above sea level, which referred to as the Wayna Dega or the Mid-Highland Zone. The best fruit is obtained with daytime temperatures 21 up to 27 degrees centigrade and nighttime temperatures of 50 up to 20 degrees centigrade. 600 up to 1,200 millimeter of annual rainfall is required. It thrives in warm and high rainfall areas with well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH of 6.5 up to 7.5 pH. Popular varieties like Marako fana, dark brown pepper, and Halaba types are popular for dry powder berbere. The harvesting often involves picking the red pods for drying, with production cycles heavily influenced by water management. This is all about the hot pepper or berbere. Second, ginger. Ginger, locally known as zingibil, is a major spice in Ethiopia, vital for both local cuisines and export purpose. Primarily cultivated by smallholder farmers in the humid southwestern ginger belt, which is found in southern region and Oromia. It serves as a crucial income sources. Cultivation is concentrated in the central and southern regions, specifically in Kambata, Tambaro, Walaita, and Hadia zones, as well as western Oromia and parts of Amara. It is cultivated from low-lying areas up to 1,500 meters above sea level, with optimal growth often found below 1,500 meters. Representing lowland to lower midland agroecological zones. It thrives, it's cultivated from lying areas up to 1,500 meter above sea level. That means optimal growth often found below 1,500 meter. Just representing the lowland to just lower midland agroecological zones. It thrives in warm climates with an optimal temperature ranges of 19 degrees centigrade up to 28 degrees centigrade. Temperatures below 15 degrees centigrade stop growth, while above 32 degrees centigrade can cause sun damage. It requires well-distributed rainfall, typically more than 1,200 up to 1,500 millimeter annually. Loose, friable soil with high organic matter, good drainage, and a depth of at least 30 centimeters is ideal. It is heavily used in traditional Ethiopian food and spice blends and has medicinal applications. Up to 80% of the harvest is destined for export, with high potential in international markets. It holds both fresh and dried or powdered, known as zingible. This is all about ginger or zingible. Third, turmeric, which locally known as urd, a major commercial crop in the south and central region. Turmeric is a key commercial spice crop in Ethiopia, grown primarily by smallholder farmers in the southwestern regions, that means Shaka, Bench Maji, and Kafa zones, for domestic use and export, concentrated in the southern and southwest region. It is a major export commodity alongside ginger and hot pepper, with a significant potential for poverty alleviation. Turmeric is considered a lowland to midland crop in Ethiopia, performing best up to 2,000 meters above sea level. It thrives in areas with temperature ranging from 20 up to 35 degrees centigrade. It prefers high rainfall areas, ideally 1,500 millimeter or more per year. It needs in well-drained sandy or clay loam soils with a pH range of 4.5 up to 7.5. The Tepi National Spice Research Center focuses on introducing improved varieties and processing technologies. This is all about turmeric.